At bago po natin ipagpatuloy ang ating option, gusto nyo po na Shakey's V-League updates, sundan nyo naman po, facebook.com/newstv all sports. Let's send it now to Mia Kalim.
Thanks, Noel. Madami nga sinasabi itong si Coach Dico na kailangan daw nilang bigyang pansin yung mga bolang easily nalalaglag. Sabi nga niya, madami daw sa kanyang mga players ay may mga iniindang mga injury, pero hindi daw nila ito pwedeng gawing excuses every single time. At hindi rin daw nakakatulong sa kanilang cause yung pagiging malamya nila inside the court dahil wala nga itong si Tina Salak. Kaya sabi ni Coach, kailangan daw i-dedicate nila ang kanilang performance sa kanilang mga fallen soldiers. Balik sa iyo, Noel.
Well, ngayon, Mia ka nagiging open on open except that time from Paumla Soraya, hinulog niya. So ano na talaga ito? It's gonna be a question of will. Win it for Tina. Yan ang ginagawa rito ng Army. Pero ang ginagawa naman ng Cagayan Valley, practice ulit tayo para sa Thailand.
For the fallen soldiers.
Let's see if the fallen soldiers will be honored here today. Rachel Andakis has yet to score. Here's Tabaquero. Kanina pa score na score. Iratay! Ando naman si Jonella for the coverage. Galing sa likod na naman si Tipachot. Dumaan sa kamay ni Gonzaga.
Dapat si Tipachot lumipat sa Army kasi fire at will.
Grabe ang nilalaro nito si Tipachot. As usual, actually. That was like a few inches behind the line. Si Gonzaga, sinabi, nako po, lakas.
Ako na naman.
Oo. Maizo, good read by Michelle Carolino.
Well, errors by Cagayan. But, you know, they've been able to minimize their errors, no? In fairness to Cagayan. Kahit nagko-commit silang errors, like, hindi sila lumalamang as compared to for Army.
Well, here's Jacqueline Alarca once again. Was not supposed to play today. Oh, nice block there by Balse. Balse, tinalo ni Soraya! You don't see that every day.
Wow. You know, Soraya doing it in all parts of the court.
Right. Ito kaya si Pao Soriano. Mikasas, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Iratay and Carolino. Hindi nagkaintindihan. Ako, namamagana naman ang kalamangan ng Cagayan Valley.
That's right. Yung mga errors.
Ngiti na lang siya, ngiti na lang. Eh, Tina Salak right behind him.
I'm sure Tina Salak gusto na maglaro.
Well, against medical advice yun. Iratay. Soraya again! Paumla Soraya. Ibang klase ito rin.
That's right. You know, she's just showing us she's in a league of her own right now in today's match.
The question is, if Tina Salak had played, would she be able to do all of that? Yun ang katanungan dito.
And problema is we have no way to prove that.
Right. Joan Bunag returns. Uupo ngayon si Ging Balse. So patuloy ang pagbalasa ni Rico de Guzman sa kanyang mga personnel. Soriano, Nunag, Iratay, Joan Bunag. Ando si Pau. Soraya, quick set. Buenos Eulalio. Hindi natamaan ng blockers.
Pero, you know, they had the right thing in mind because yung defense ng Army scrambling pa eh.
At tingnan natin kung important yata ang baterya na dala ni Dakis makagaling sa Germany yung remote control serve niya.
Solar power.
Titignan natin. Dakis. Ay! Na-overcharge. And a service error there for the usually consistent Rachel Andakis. Again, wala pang 48 hours sa Pilipinas yan. Naglaro na kaagad. Kailangan ng Army kanyang tulong. Tabaquero, Dakis, Iratay, Michelle Carolino. Tabaquero on the dig. Aiza Maizo, sa gitna kay Eulalio. Iratay, papunta rito kay Michelle Carolino. Yun, nahilusot niya kay Soraya.
Well, Michelle Carolino, kailangan magtrabaho pa siya because sabi nga natin, yung lead ng Cagayan, di na bumababa.
Oo. Pero at least ngayon, 4 na lang. Kanina, iniiwanan talaga sila. 8, 9, 10. Iratay.
Pati yung fans, nasa-shock eh.
Oo. Oo. Tipachot. Pero that time was blocked. Oh, Gonzaga! Second ball pa lang yun. Wala pang depensa doon ng Cagayan Valley.
Siguro si Maizo saying, I should have known gawain ko.
Oo. Kita mo naman yun, second ball. Wala pa talaga. Ni formation, wala. And it was just the talent of Jack Jonella that just kept that ball alive momentarily. There's si Ratay once again. Soraya, lapit yan para kay Tipachot. Easy pickings for Jovelyn Gonzaga.
That's right. Rare error there between the two Thai imports.
At eto ngayon, 2 na lang ang abante rito ng Cagayan Valley. Highest at 5 in this set. Highest at 11 for the match.
Wow.
Oo. Ay, hindi lang pala 11 yun. Kasi ano ba nakuha nila? 25-9. Highest at 16.
Yep.
Tipachot. Yon. Napataan sa kamay ni Gonzaga muli.
Gonzaga's gonna have nightmares after this game. Tipachot.
Hindi, pero yung kay Gonzaga, alam naman niya, preliminaries to. Alam nilang pasok na rin sila sa quarterfinals. Pwestuhan na lang ang pinaglalabanan dito.
Yeah. Pero, napansin ko, si Coach Ness naman for Cagayan, he always opts to stay with the 6, no? He doesn't really...
Wala pa binubunot galing sa bench. Although lalim na kanyang bench. Maizo. Dakis. Nunag. Jonella. Soraya. Combination for Tipachot. Naran pa nila yun, oh.
Oh, wow.
4-point lead for the Cagayan Valley Rising Suns against the Philippine Army.
Ito ang Shakey's V-League.